God bless America. Whoa! Why is everything floating? Don't worry, little buddy, I've got you. One table at a time. We've got this. Every birthday deserves its cake. There it is. That's the gravity glitch. Let's bring everything back to normal. Teamwork and calm thinking always win. Remember, helping others makes everyone stronger. See you next time.